Hello there folks, my name is Great Mighty Poe, and welcome to another installation guide. Today's installation guide will be covering the Archthrones demo. So let's get straight into this. Awesome. So we're going to pop over to the Archthrones website, and right up top here, and right in the middle here, two download buttons, click whatever one you like, and that'll take you right over to the Nexus page. Awesome. There's a bunch of information on the Nexus page. I recommend you read most of it. It'll tell you what the mod's about, give you a bunch of information about technical details, some FAQ stuff, a bunch of really useful information that I highly recommend reading. But what we're all here for is the installation, so let's get into that. So go over to Files, and you're going to find two here. You're going to find this one at the top, which is the Archthrones demo, and this one is a manual install. So this one is automatic. This one you have to do it yourself. I'm going to only cover this one. This is only if the installer fails. Do note it is 11 gigs in size, and Nexus being Nexus, it'll be really slow to download. So this is only a last resort if this does not work for whatever reason. Maybe server issues, maybe stuff like that. But if you are having issues, then the Discord server will be able to help you out. So this is your desperate last resort. I really would not recommend this because of how big it is. So click on manual download. It's going to ask you to make sure you have both Ashes of Ariandel and the Ring City DLCs. You need both DLCs to play Archthrones. If you do not have them, the mod will not work. So just make sure you have those. Then you're going to click download. It'll take you over to here. Then you're going to click slow download, and they'll get downloading the mod for you. Awesome. So that will nab you this Dark Souls Archthrones demo. So open this up, and then pop into here, and you're going to get a readme please.txt. The most important one to pay attention to. It's got all the information in there, and I didn't double click properly. There we go. So, first of all, it's going to want to make sure we have a freshly installed copy of Dark Souls 3 with both DLCs. Once again, making sure both DLCs. You can go into properties of the game on Steam to validate. So, open the game on Steam, and right-click it in your library, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. I'm not going to do this because it takes a little bit of time, but if you click that or verify your game files, you have a little percentage bar, it'll download any files that's missing, anything like that, and it will be all good. Awesome. The next step is to copy the contents of the zip into the game folder. This is a folder where the Dark Souls exe, Dark Souls 3.exe can be found. So we're going to pop back to Steam. Once again, going to right click on Dark Souls 3 in our library. We're going to go to Manage this time. And we're going to go to Browse Local Files. We're going to click that, and that'll open up where our Dark Souls 3 game folder is. You go into your game folder, and this will be where your Dark Souls 3 exe is. Awesome. So, as it said, let's take all of these and just drag and drop them into here. So it's going to pop up with this extension already has a file named steam.appid.txt. Make sure you click replace the file in the destination, and it'll just shove them in for you, and that's all good. Awesome. So we can close that now. And set the game language to English in Steam properties of Dark Souls 3. More languages will be added as time goes on. So once again, go back to Steam, right click, properties, and go to language, and make sure that's set to English. As I said, more languages will be added over time. Make sure that is set to English. And yeah, enjoy. That's all you need to do for now. When you launch the mod through Steam or through the exe game folder or through any normal means you do, it will automatically download the mod for you. However, I'm going to go after one last little step here, and that is down patching. So, if your game repeatedly crashes, you should down patch your exe to 1.15. There are known physics bugs with 1.15.1 and 1.15.2. There are two ways to down patch, so you can download the exe from here, or use the Steam console. This first one is very, very simple. I've already done a video on it, but I'm going to go over it again here really quickly. So, we're going to pop back to here. And this is the Crash Fix website. Looks a little bit different to last time I did this because the site went down and now it's back up again. But you're going to want to download patch 1.15 and just click on that. But as it is at the moment, the link is temporarily disabled because obviously Archthrones demo is brand new, so lots of people are down patching. So it is currently not available to download. So what do you do now? Well, we go back over to the Archthrones website. We scroll down to the bottom. There's a Discord server. You're going to want to join that and pop on over to technical issues. Go into the pinned messages, and there's a Dark Souls 3 exe there for you that you can download. If you download from the Crash Fix website, though, you will get this Dark Souls 3.zip. Open that up, you can give it darksouls3.exe, and it's going to want to drag and drop that into your game folder as well. And replace the file in destination. And you're just going to want to make sure, just right click, go to properties, and go details. Make sure it is 1.15.0.0. If it is that, you're all good. And now your game is downpatched. You're going to want to make sure you only launch through this exe in your game folder. If you launch through Steam, so if I were to go back to Steam and click play here, it would recognize that that file is wrong and it would automatically update it. Don't want that to happen, so make sure you launch through as exe. And then when you launch through as exe, you're going to have the installer install all the stuff for you all automatically, and it'll all be good. You don't need to do any steps, it is all automatic. If it does fail though, I will once again mention over here, if it does fail for whatever reason, you do have the manual install files as an option, and you also have the Discord technical issues channel as well if you do need any more help. Awesome. And so yeah, that is the installation guide. Something else I don't really need to cover. Just when you launch this, it will automatically install the mod. It may take a bit of time, there is quite a lot to download, so yeah, but it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, I hope you all have fun with the mod. I know I'm going to have lots of fun with it. So yeah, once again, I thank you all very much for watching, and good luck with the mod, and I'll see you all next time. Take care guys, have a good one.